Just look at the sticky stuff. Hey guys, this is your Chetan and welcome back to CSK Vlogs and hope you guys are doing great. Today I have dropped down to Bannerghatta Road. Opposite to Jaydeva Hospital there is a place called The Firewood Pizza. It's a cloud kitchen. Maybe in and around Jayanagar and Bannerghatta Road people might be knowing about this The Firewood Pizza because they'll be serving you people in Denso, Zomato and Swiggy. So what is this Firewood Pizza concept? Let's go inside this cloud kitchen and let's find it out. So here is Mr. Naresh. He's the owner of The Firewood Pizza.
Hello.
Hi. So this is actually a cloud kitchen, right?
Yeah, this is currently, yes. Previously we were dining as well, restaurant in the Kumaraswamy layout. We moved here recently into a completely delivery only kitchen.
Okay. So what is this Firewood concept about?
As a Firewood Pizza, we started this pizza for to serve delicious and authentic wood-fired pizza. As you can see, the wood-fired oven, we cook the pizzas inside the actual wood-fired oven, and not. This is a traditional Italian approach, or you can say the traditional way to cook the pizzas.
Okay.
And everything is homemade. We do not use any ready-made stuff. All the pizza dough, pizza sauce, everything is made homemade, and everything is fresh. We do not pre-cook anything. As you can see, we'll be going to cook the pizzas here in the company.
Okay. Leaving pizza, what do you serve in the Firewood Pizza?
So we are completely Italian restaurant. You can say Italian and continental.
Okay.
So pizzas, pastas, burgers, sandwiches, fries, cheese garlic bread, different variations of cheese garlic breads.
Okay.
And cheese shots and multiple other starters.
Okay. So this is there from how many years?
So we started last year. 1 year we ran from Kumaraswamy layout. As I said, we recently, last week we moved in here.
Okay.
In the bigger kitchen.
Okay.
We had a fantastic response overall, all the Bangalore food lovers and the pizza lovers. So that's why we expanded into a bigger location.
Okay.
Also, we previously were only vegetarian only. Now we started introducing meat pizzas.
Okay.
Chicken, pepperoni pizzas as well.
So this is on cloud kitchen, right? So from morning, at what time you guys open up online stuff?
Yeah, so we are online from 12 p.m. in the noon. We stay till 11:30
night.
in the night.
Okay.
So you can place order on Zomato, Swiggy, Amazon Foods and DotPay. We have our own website as well. We can order food from our website as well. And also you can come here and have a takeaway as well. So all the takeaway customers have an additional exciting offers like flat 30% off for all the takeaway customers.
Guys, finally here is the wood pizza. So this is 10 inches pizza. So particularly they gave an most selling pizza. The name of this pizza is the Paneer Tikka 10 inches pizza. Sauce, they are only gonna be preparing. Base, they have their own. And whatever the veggies, they are gonna be getting it from outside. Masalas or whatever spices they are gonna be using in this pizza, it's their own. First time I'm gonna be trying pizza in cloud kitchen. I have tried biryani in cloud kitchen. Coming to Italian dishes, this is the first time trying out pizza in cloud kitchen, but they made a place also for me. So sweet of them, because I can't carry this all the down from Bannerghatta to Yelahanka. It's almost like 25 to 26 kilometers approx to my place. Some oreganos and some paprikas. Let me put some paprika also. So here is some tomato ketchup. So in 10 inches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pieces you are gonna be getting. So here is the first piece which is coming out of this big base. First bite, guys. The cheese has got completely melted and it's just coming out of the base. The base is really very soft. The texture of the sauce is good. It's not spicy also. They have put red bell peppers, as well as when they were cooking they had used some oreganos also in this. So let me go for the next bite. Here comes up with some paneer. So the paneer bite is gonna be coming now. The paneer is really very soft and they have salted with some masala. It's tasting out really very well. The oreganos and the red paprikas and bell pepper, it's all giving an entire different taste. The way they have cooked, just look at this. It's not completely brown. The base has cooked out really very well. In wood, compared to other pizza, the wood pizza is quite different. It's tasting out well. If you are experiencing this for the first time, definitely this is a great pizza. They have salted this paneer with paneer tikka sauce and then they have put on this paneer tikka pizza. This pizza was cooked hardly like 3 to 4 minutes. And one more speciality of this pizza is, if you keep it for a long period of time also, the base is not gonna be getting hard, just because that they have used wood fire. So here is thin crust chicken sausage pizza. So this comes in 7-inch. So this was the most selling dish when it comes to thin crust. And recently they have started with chicken. Just look at the sticky stuff. The cheese has just got melted and got joined to the pieces. It's really very hot. The base is really very crisp. Slightly sweetness is there. That's because of tomato ketchup, oregano and the sauces, whatever they have used. It's a bit spicy. The base is so soft and crisp. So here is chicken sausage, which has got completely gone inside this base. The chicken sausage is also like so soft, and the cheese which has got melted, that is so in next level, guys. This 7-inch thin crust pizza, aram se a person can eat at least like minimum 2-3. So here is veg Alfredo creamy pasta. So they have used bell peppers and they have used zucchini, some olives and lot of cream and some cheese. On top, 2 breads has been sticked to the pasta. This is the most selling dish and the best reviewed dish. You can just check in Zomato as well as Swiggy. So here is pasta. It's really very creamy to see itself. Whoa. The pepper is being used a lot. The pepper taste is quite dominating and the cream taste is also quite dominating. Yes, as I told, this would be the best review. The cream taste and the cheesiness, slightly that saltness and pepper taste and corn taste, everything is being completely gone inside this pasta. It's giving a fantastic taste, guys, and even the thickness of the cream is in next level. When you're putting the fork inside this Alfredo pasta, you can feel slightly stickiness. That's because of melted cheese. Taste wise, guys, amazing. There is no compromise in taste or quality or quantity. And they have put lot of veggies and the broccoli has been cooked out so well. First they have cooked it, then they have put it in this Alfredo pasta. Whatever the white sauce they have prepared for this pasta, that is also tasting out really very well. I just thought like putting on this buttery bread, some pasta, and let me have this. They have put lot of butter on this bread. It's giving a very good crisp feeling, and taste wise amazing guys, and lot of corn also is being used. Guys, finally I finished all my food whichever they gave me. The taste wise amazing, and whatever they gave me, it was the most selling dish and best reviewed dish from the customer side in Zomato as well as Swiggy. Whatever they are gonna be using as an ingredients for all their preparations, it's all like branded stuffs. Even you people can try in Swiggy as well as Zomato if you people are somewhere staying near to Jayanagar or Bannerghatta Road, and if you are personally dropping down to their place, yes, definitely you are gonna be getting best discounts. Price list and location will be mentioned in the description part. If you people like this video, please do like, share and comment. Catch you up in the next vlog. Till then, bye, take care, see ya.